Hey guys, Angus, and today I'm going to give you a full review and also an unboxing of this kit lens. So this comes with 3 different parts. It comes with a macro lens, a wide angle lens, and also a fisheye lens as well. Now there is something a little bit different. So rather than something that simply clicks onto the lens, you actually get 2 parts, but I'll get onto that in a minute. Starting off with the unboxing, I quite like the packaging, but I did notice how it was very, very small. Unfortunately, it is actually supplied with quite a horrible feeling case, or carry case, as you like to say. I just don't really like the material. It's really convenient to have it, but I just don't like the feel of it. So we are actually given some more parts than we usually would be. So the way this works is that you basically stick on one part onto the lens, which is a very, very small piece of thin metal which goes around the lens, and then it uses magnets to actually clip onto it. So as we can see, rather than having like cheap plastic lenses, we've actually got some high quality metal lenses, and this is really nice to see because so far the only lenses I've used for clipping onto phone lenses are actually plastic, but these ones are metal, which is really nice because it means that they're going to be more durable, they're going to last longer, and also they just feel more premium as well. Also, I just really like the design of these. They're fairly good value, these as well, and of course I was given these to test and provide an honest review. So as we can see, it comes with a lens cap as well, and the wide angle lens and also the macro lens screw onto the same. So these are the parts that actually stick on, and it also comes with a like a little string which can be used to say clip onto a key ring or something like that, and of course that magnet can be used to hold on to the actual camera lens, which is kind of nice. So yeah, you just peel them off, put them on the camera, and then you're ready to go. Now that does mean that if you want to use it again and you've already taken it off, then you probably will have to use another one. So basically the real idea of this is that you leave it on and then you can snap it on whenever you want. And to be honest, I think that is actually a really, really interesting idea because I've never seen a camera lens that does this before. I've never seen a camera lens clip-on that uses this idea, and to be honest I really like it because it has a lot of potential. So far from thorough use, I think it's a really interesting idea, and to be honest I do actually really like it. However, I think it can be a little bit messy simply because you have about 4 or 5 of these clip-on stickers, and that can be a little bit frustrating. So say if you lose one of these, then it means that you simply can't even use the thing because you have to stick it on. Of course you can hold it up yourself, but it means that if you lose those rings, you simply cannot attach it. However, it does mean that it's really easy to clip on and off, and it makes it very quick as well. So as you can see, it clips on really nicely, and switching between the different lenses. So far I really like these, and then I'm going to go on to the example shots as well. So here I'm using the LEGO Elite 5, which is my primary smartphone. I probably apologise for the screen being cracked, but as you can see, using the macro one here, we can get some super sharp detail of my finger, or of course any object you want to magnify. And I really like that because I absolutely love macro photography. So if we just take a look at some of these sample shots, starting off with the macro shots, I think it's absolutely fantastic. Of course, there's nothing getting in the way. I didn't have any problem with it, and I think they look really nice. So then if we move on to the wide angle lens, you could see it works absolutely fine again, and I would highly recommend this if you're looking to increase the wide angle view of your camera. So now let's go on to the fisheye lens, and as you can see, it gives this really cool effect. However, it does cause that sort of circle line at the top and the bottom, and of course you will have to take that into consideration if you want to use the fisheye lens. Anyway, there is my full review and also unboxing of this 3-in-1 clip-on camera lens attachment. Of course, if you did find it helpful, then definitely be sure to put it below. But apart from that, thank you very much for watching.